Now that is corned beef, beans and cheese pasty made. Look at that. That is awesome. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, this has got to be one of the easy ones, you know. We don't have to cook lots of things in the kitchen to enjoy a light meal or a snack or a takeaway if you like. Today I'm going to cook some pasties. I'm going to do corned beef, baked bean, cheese melt in puff pastry, bought puff pastry. The only thing that we have to do for any pasty is saute some onions. Onions go in everything in a pasty. If not, there's no flavour. Butter in a pan, flame on. Chopped onions. Now these are only fine chopped, fine dice. You know, we don't want big chunks of onion in our pasties. We want some little fine dice in there. Now keep the bowl, we're going to put the onions back in. Saute them off in that butter. Now you can put a bit of salt in there if you want. That will help bring out some of that moisture. But you know, we've got to be really careful what we do with the salt, because the corned beef is probably going to be salty. So that's it. Job done. And we're just going to put that back in that bowl. Okay, corned beef, it's a bit like royalty. I think you understand what I mean. So what we're going to do, I'm going to take some of that corned beef from there. Possibly about that much. Put in that bowl. Okay, to our corned beef. We're going in there with a little bit of those onions. We're going to give it a mashing. Now you don't have to worry about corned beef. Corned beef's already been cooked. You can eat this raw. So we're not going to cook this in a pan. We're going to give this a mixing up like this. And then this is going to go in the bottom of our pasties, just as is. To our corned beef, we're going to add some baked beans. Another famous brand. Get that in there. We want to go in with some of that juice from those beans. Gentle mix round. Oh, there's our moisture right there with those beans. Oh, that looks absolutely amazing. Oh, okay, I've got a piece of parchment paper down there. I'm just going to take some ready-made puff pastry and get it on your parchment paper. Should fit on there. I should get another one, I think. Okay, and then what we need to do, we need to get some of that mixture in the middle of our pastry. Now I think that could be too much actually. So get that in there. And what you need to be doing, you need to leave just a bit of an overlap round, because we need to stick this together. And then we're going on there with some cheese. Get that cheese on there. Now this is cheddar cheese. You can use any cheese you want. That's up to you. We need to get that in there. Now come on, they already look amazing. A little bit of egg wash. That's our glue. Puff pastry over the top. Gentle, gentle, squash down. And if you have to lift the bottom up to clamp it together. Let me show you. Just clamp it together like that. Don't worry about it. Another one over the top. Oh, come on. Get that in there. They're looking like pasties already. And then we take a fork and we go all the way around. Crimp it down. Want some vent holes? Let's do 3 across. So what we need to do, we need to just go over our pasties with a little bit of egg wash. Get that on there. Now you can use milk as a milk wash. You'll get a lighter colour on your pasties. If you use egg like this, you're going to get a darker colour on your pasties. You can mix egg and milk together. Not a worry. Okay, let's get that in the oven. Boom, in it goes. On it goes. 180, about 25 or 20 minutes, 25, 30, depends on your oven. Just give it a check. Oh, there we go. Let's have it out of there. Oh, come on. Come on. Look at that. That is absolutely superb. Come on, look at that. Now you're talking. That is how to make a proper pasty. You know, that's an awful lot better than some of those store-bought versions out there, you know. And we know what's in this. I think we're going to have to cut into that and have a look. Oh, come on. Straight. Oh, listen to that crunch. Oh, we've destroyed it. Oh, look in there. Now that is corned beef, beans and cheese pasty made. Look at that. That is awesome. Oh, look there. That is really red hot, but that is delicious. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends. I'm dribbling. I'll catch you in the next video.